Okay, I've stumbled across some wildlife. There's some very large deer, I'm guessing. I don't know what their demeanor is, but I'm pretty sure that this one could kill me. And that one, and that one. And probably this one and that one. So I'm just going to keep walking a predictable path. Actually, I'm going to stand still for a second. Behold the beauty. So this is Olympic National Park, also known as Narnia, for those of you who notice it. This will be my second day I spent here, and I'm on something like a 17 or 18 mile hike right now. There is nobody around. And I quite like it.